Welcome back to Timeline Story channel. Today topic is how to make a seed ball. So basically to make a seed ball, what we need to do, we need to take clay and compost. Need to take 5 parts of clay and 1 part of compost in a bowl. After that, mix well so the soil and compost blend together. After that, as per the shape and size, add 2 to 3 seeds per ball. Then sprinkle water slowly and mix until a dough-like texture forms. Till now, if you understand and if you feel like it, then please do like, share, and subscribe to Line Story channel to see English and Hindi videos. Let's move to the next point. After that, after forming the texture, need to leave them to dry inside for 24 to 48 hours until hard. After that, throw or place the seed ball on soil in garden, empty pot or pots. Rest, work, rainwater or watering will be done. Okay, so keep watching Timeline Story channel. See you next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.